Hi, this is Brett Ridgway with 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com, and today's mistake we're going to talk about is mistake number 14, navigation nightmares. There are many types of navigation that can be used on a website, and many locations on a page that navigation can be placed. Obviously, too many locations can be a problem because the website visitor can easily get distracted from the primary objective of your site, or just get frustrated because they can't really figure out where they want to go first. Simplicity is generally best. When setting up your site navigation structure for your menus, think about simplicity. If you can explain what the link is in 1 or 2 words, that will be best. Nothing's more confusing than a menu button with 2 lines of text. Plus, it breaks up uniformity. Also, decide which location works the best for simplicity. Many times you find navigation either on the left or right sides of the page and along the top under the header graphic. Ideally, you want to stick to one location. Obviously, a menu across the top is limited to the width of your page, whereas a menu down one side or the other will give you more options. And of course, you wouldn't want 2 rows of buttons across the top. Something else you want to consider when creating your navigation links is to make sure that you use colors and fonts that are readable. This can be easily achieved without becoming overbearing. Be sure to create some sort of action when the visitor places their mouse over the button or link. This can be accomplished by using either what is called a rollover graphic or an on-mouse over text action. This gives the visitor confirmation that something's going to happen when they click the link. Ideally, if you're working on a sales page and it's a single-page sales letter site, you don't want any navigation, at least in the form of buttons. Now, obviously, you'll still need some navigation links on your sales page, and the best place for those is in the footer section of the page. Again, simplicity rules. You only need a few key links when creating the single-page sales letter. You want items such as your privacy policy, disclaimer, support link, and maybe even an order now link. One other form of navigation links on a single-page sales letter is what are called jump links or anchor tags. This strategy allows you to jump down the sales page to a predefined anchor point. For example, if you have order links on your sales page, it's been proven that you get better conversions if you link those order links to an order area of your sales page. That way your visitor can see your complete offer and bonuses. This is done using the anchor link technique. You can also create sales letters where the sales letter starts off with a bulleted list of action items which link to strategic points in the sales letter, such as frequently asked questions or testimonials. As you can see, there are lots of things to consider when creating the navigation strategy for your website. For more great website tips, please visit our site at 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com.